Bruh.
Nice.
We're gonna race a Hellcat today.
Yup, y'all heard that correctly. We're racing a Hellcat today. Y'all know I stayed talking shit about Hellcats since I switched over to the BMW world. I stayed talking about I'm whooping Hellcat, full part killer. Today is the day. It's to bully a Hellcat.
Holy Jesus.
Nice.
All right, y'all, so we got the Hellcat behind us. As y'all can see, oh. I ain't gonna lie, that Hellcat is so nice, bro. He tastefully modified that to a T. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta hear that bit whine. I wanna hear that bit whine, twin. Fuck! Look at that shit. Oh my God. Man, I gotta get an exhaust on this car so bad, bro. Bro, look at that shit in the rearview mirror. What the fuck? Make that bit whine, twin. Make that bit whine, twin. Now that Hellcat sounds insane. I gotta show him how you take a turn. It's a turn coming up. I gotta show him how you take a turn in this bitch. That's how you take a turn, buddy. You gotta show the Hellcat guy how to take a turn, man. All right, let's see if he can keep up. Let me hear that bit. That shit looks so good. Oh my God. That thing sounds insane, bro. That shit sounds insane. Y'all ready? It's pop time. Oh! Oh my. What'd you say? Which one you like better? The BMW? The BMW? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Take it easy, fam. Okay, we got Team BMW in the chat. Okay. Oh, fuck. The dirt bike boys out. I bet you he won't wheelie that bitch down the street though. I bet you won't wheelie that bitch down the street though. Let's do it. Let's do it, nigga. Going crazy, twin. What's going on, twin?
I watch on YouTube.
Hey, I fuck with you. Hey, you be wheeling the fuck out that bitch. Yeah. You got my gram?
Yeah.
DM me, bro. I want to do a video with you. I bet. Don't forget to DM me now. All right. Yeah, and he's off. Damn, everybody know me, bro. That shit wild. I love Richmond, bro. Shout out to Southside Richmond, bro. If y'all didn't know, nigga, I'm from the South, nigga. A lot of people think I'm from Atlanta and shit, bro. I'm not from the A, bro. I moved there to do videos and shit with content creators, but nigga, I am from Richmond, Virginia. This shit, I gotta show y'all this shit, bro. This shit nice as hell. I ain't gonna lie. When I seen this at the plaza, I was like, damn. And then it was this and that wide-body Durango that caught my attention. Oh my God, bro, look at this shit, bro. Imagine you just driving, right? You just driving your car, and then you look in your rearview mirror and you just see this shit. What you doing? I mean, if you want some bad shit, then you want all the smoke and shit, but if you want a normal car, you be like, oh shit, damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Buddy tastefully modified this bitch, cause these wheels is tough as fuck. He, with the carbon fiber hood, he dressed the fuck out this bitch, bro. He really got him in sync. It's crazy. It's like a light show that this bitch. Oh, fuck. Yeah, he has underground tuning. Shout out to underground tuning, man. Jesus Christ. Holy cow. Currently the only, I'm gonna put my shit in rear wheel drive just because. Oh, fuck. No, that shit sounds crazy. Fuck! Bro, I feel that shit in my chest. Why do I feel that shit in my chest, bro? It's crazy. Woo! Buddy. Bro! No!
She said, boy, you did it all. Why you try to touch your life?
I'll pop it, but it ain't shit like that. Bro, that shit sounds crazy. There go 12. Not even in the car. Scared the fuck out them bitches. Yo, we scared the fuck out them people. Oh my god. Shit is fucking crazy, bro. Bro, that shit sounds fucking crazy, bro. Bro, this nigga car is loud as fuck, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What the hell you? What the fuck? That shit is crazy. Scotty Potato! Oh my! Oh my! But it's just 3 more parts with red lights back there, like red lights, red lights, red lights. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put that bitch in drive, Terry. Oh my god, fuck that, I gotta hear that shit. Where the fuck is Mike? What the fuck they listening to? Know that you fucking with a real bitch. Hey. What the fuck? She cutting up too is crazy. Nah, she cutting up too is insane. What the fuck is she doing? I ain't buy this fast ass car for nothing. Hey! Oh my god! What the fuck? Nah, we tripping. The fuck? The mama back there tripping too! Nah, this shit is crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. You got it. We racing? Are we racing?
I already knew it.
Yeah, y'all trying to race? Light on green?
You won't blow my motherfucking engine tonight. I was like, oh yeah.
Nah, that's crazy. Nah, she is really floating that bitch is insane, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I'm really obsessed with this scat though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm really obsessed with that.